Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NGD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time, Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and good solid volume. In fact, the majority of the volume, well, not the majority, but a big old section of it came during that final 30 minutes right there, and I guess given today's Friday. So big old big old volume, final 30 minutes of the day, and then final 30 minutes of the week. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But yeah, definitely nice move. So let's see if, map out some levels of support and resistance here. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And that would be if the price could stay up there above 74.5 cents. Now, or excuse me, at 75 cents. Can you tell it's Friday? Yeah, it's definitely Friday. I'm struggling here. But 75 cents is what I would definitely consider the ideal level of support. I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? If the price can hold up above that mark, that would certainly be a massive sign of strength. Don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay up above there, that would definitely be a great sign of power. Now, looking at all this from the bigger picture time frame, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic way to judge the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 75 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as that is concerned, nothing fancy or complicated at all other than the fact that the party finally stopped today right up there at 79 cents. So 79 will be public enemy number one going into next week. Out of curiosity, I feel like, yeah, and if it can break up through 79 just in case another big old move happens, next key level of resistance after that, right up there at the 83-cent mark. So all in all, though, really resistance levels don't matter, and I say that because what matters the most is what the price has already started to do, and that is that right there. Just building those higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, that is the name of the game. So focus on the healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away with those higher bases, and sit back and let the trend keep on doing its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.